Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about the Norwex Mop System that's been around forever but has gone through some amazing enhancements with optional attachments. Now, the Norwex Mop System comes as a set with a telescopic mop handle, the dry mop pad, and the wet mop pad and a base. The telescopic mop handle is very durable. It is also adjustable and it's an essential part of the mop system. It helps us clean our floors, our walls, and hard to reach areas. The mop handle, it has a 5-year warranty. It's made of aluminum and it's adjustable. And coming from a mom of teenage boys, I can tell you it is virtually indestructible and it gives me efficient cleaning every time. It's adjustable to fit any user's height very comfortably. It extends for effortless cleaning to hard to reach places like under beds, under couches, different furniture. And it's designed for use with the Norwex mop base, mop pads, and our attachments. And when using the Norwex mop pad, the wet mop pad, you use water alone, and this eliminates any unnecessary chemicals from the home. The mop handle comes in 3 color options: blue green, Nordic naturals, and graphite with black. It has an easy to adjust locking mechanism for personalized use on your floors, walls, even more. I love that it has an ergonomic mop handle, which is very comfortable to clean with. It is compatible with lots of different attachments here at Norwex, so it gives us versatility in our cleaning options. And I also love that it comes in different money-saving sets. Now, the mop overall is very easy to use. You just adjust the height by turning the locking mechanism, attach it to the mop base by sliding it in until it's locked, and then you can clean your floors, walls, ceilings, and so much more. For mopping, you want to adjust the mop handle to chin height. I really like that I can get all the hard reaching areas also with our Enviro wand attachment. Think cobwebs or under the master bed, all of the things, right? And unlike typical floor cleaning systems that require batteries, replacement pads, even chemical solutions, this system is cost effective, it's sustainable, and absolutely chemical free. When purchased as a money saving set, the mop system also comes with the dry superior mop pad. This serves as an effective alternative to traditional brooms in the home and offers superior dust and dirt removal capability. The dry mop pad has yellow edges. It is crafted from 82% recycled microfiber yarn, and it utilizes a static charge to attract and hold on to dust and dirt particles, ensuring a very thorough cleaning without dispersing any airborne pollutants, right? And it's designed to be very gentle on all different types of flooring surfaces and walls, particularly hardwood flooring, tile, linoleum, all of those things, which actually preserves the floor's integrity over time. The mop pads securely attach to the mop base with heavy duty Velcro, and its reusable design promotes a very cost effective solution and reduces the environmental impact through its prolonged lifespan. It actually has a 5-year warranty. The mop pads and mop bases are available in various sizes, accommodating different living spaces and cleaning requirements. From big buildings, residences, to even travel trailers, you can find a size that works well for you. To use it, I recommend using a figure 8 mopping pattern, starting with the furthest point within the room, going to the exit. When you're finished, you brush the dry mop pad clean with the Norwex rubber brush over a trash can, and it's just a great way to get rid of the pollutants out of the home. You can also put the dry mop pad on slightly off-centered to get your baseboards. I love that it also fits under most appliances, getting all those crumbs where they hide, right? And if you get a little pile of crumbs and debris, I will just use a dry EnviroCloth to pick those up. Now we're ready to talk about the wet mop pad. The mop system also comes with the Norwex wet mop pad. It has the blue edge and it's crafted from heavy duty Norwex microfiber. This pad swiftly removes bacteria and grime from our floors with just water, no harsh chemicals needed. It's made from 70% recycled microfiber yarn, which aligns with Norwex's commitment to sustainability. This wet pad also contains our backlock technology, which is our silver. Silver, as we know, is a natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. The backlock inhibits odor, ensuring long lasting freshness and reusability for our mop pads. I honestly will wash my mop pads maybe once every 2 weeks. The wet mop pad has ultra fine microfiber that traps dirt and grime effectively, and it leaves our surfaces cleaner for longer period of times. It also fits with the heavy duty Velcro that you just easily attach it to the mop base. The wet mop pads are also available in 3 sizes and also compatible with our handheld cleaning system, which I love for the smaller task. The pads are safe to use on wood, laminate, tile, marble, and vinyl surfaces, and it can be reused multiple times before laundering. When it's slightly dirty, I'll just rinse it off in the sink. When you use it, simply dampen the wet mop pad with water, ensuring that it's not dripping. So you want to wring it out and attach it securely to the base. For laminate and hardwood floors, you want to mop in the direction of the grain with minimal moisture on your mop pad. After use, rinse the pad and hang it to dry with the nice hang tags. We also have optional mop pads that could be useful for you depending on your cleaning needs. So let's go through those. The first one is the chenille dry mop pad. It's used dry to pick up and hold dust, dirt, pet hair, and larger particles and crumbs. The tile mop pad has special nylon fibers woven into 90%, or I'm sorry, 70% recycled microfiber yarn, provides us extra cleaning power on those hard surfaces. It can also be used on shower tile walls and floors. And finally, we also offer a window cloth mop pad, which is fantastic. It can be used wet or dry. You can use it to clean mirrors, windows, and more, even automobile windows, which is great. If you have lots of area to cover when you are wet mopping, you may find that our spray mop attachment is useful. This spray mop attachment is engineered to integrate seamlessly with the Norwex Mop System, and it wets the floor as you mop. So there's no need to re-wet the mop pad in the sink. It holds 250 mLs of water, which is 160 sprays. The water doesn't need to be emptied between uses. It easily attaches to any Norwex mop base and telescopic mop handle. Once it's attached to the mop base and the mop handle, there's really no need to disassemble it. The water bottle can easily be removed for refilling, which is really nice. Now, this is important. To dispense water using the spray mop attachment, you want to press the mop handle straight down, and the handle must be at a 90-degree angle to the floor to dispense properly. And that's to ensure we don't have oversprays. For best results, we always want to dampen our mop pad before use. To refill the water reservoir, you simply remove the water bottle and fill it up with tap water. The reservoir is approved to be used with water alone, as well as probiotic hard surface cleaner. The probiotic hard surface cleaner really elevates and strengthens the power of water. With probiotics added to your water, you can get into the hard to reach areas like between wood flooring, deep cracks, and even the uneven surfaces. This unique blend of surfactants and probiotics means we can clean with our microfiber even faster and deeper. We can use this diluted in a spray mop attachment. You would just use 3 tablespoons of product and you fill your reservoir the rest of the way with water. The probiotic hard surface cleaner is also great used in a forever spray bottle to get into grouts and cracks and things like that. It has been tested and proven to work on wood, tile, vinyl, stainless steel, marble, granite, copper, glass, and even unsealed grout. Okay, now let's talk about some additional mop attachments you can get to further expand the usability of your mop system. In addition to what we've already mentioned, the handheld cleaning system, the Enviro wand, and the optional mop pads, we also have some really cool attachments. We have a grout brush, a rubber broom attachment, and also a new outdoor mop attachment. Let's take a look at some of these other options that we haven't covered yet and see how effective and easily we can use our Norwex mop for multiple cleaning jobs inside and outside. All right, let's talk about the Norwex grout brush attachment. Now, we all know that cleaning grout is time consuming, it's a chore, it's hard on our hands, our bodies, our backs, but we deserve a solution that is easier, right? And it's free of harmful chemicals. Using those products that burn our nose hairs, they coat our floors, our surfaces in harmful chemicals, and they absorb into our bodies. And besides that, who knows if those ingredients could even be damaging our grout and tile. It's not worth the risk. And what happens is not worth the time and typically will go undone. We can make very quick work of grout cleaning with the grout brush attachment. You can attach it to either the telescopic mop handle or the multi-use handle and use it with any Norwex home care cleaner of your choice to safely and efficiently and quickly scrub your grout back to life. And no harmful chemicals are needed in the process. I love the grout brush. It's long lasting. It has high quality bristles. It really holds up well against tough grout stains and the muck without breaking or falling out. The bristles aren't falling out or shedding, and it also doesn't damage the tile. The super scrubbing bristles in the middle of the brush, they scrub away the stains from the grout, while the slightly softer outside bristles scrub away dirt and debris without scratching our surfaces. It does hold up to intense scrubbing action though, which I love. It doesn't fold under pressure when I really got to get in there and do some dirty work, which I have experienced with low quality, less expensive models. Now, what is really neat about this is that it also contains Norwex Backlock, which is our microsilver agent. It's natural antibacterial, a natural antimicrobial. It's in the outer blue bristles, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Now, a lot of my customers really love this. It attaches easily to the durable telescopic mop handle or your multi-use handle. It has a nice large size, and it also has a swivel design of 180 degrees, which gives you quicker, frustration-free cleaning around things like corners and grooves. The adjustable handle and swivel design also means less aches and pains for our back, our hands, all the things, right? And we don't even need to get on our hands and knees to clean the grout anymore. You can attach it to the Norwex mop handle to get all the hard to reach areas. It is made from recycled materials, which is better for the planet. It has a cool V-shaped design. The bristles allow us to get in deeply to the grooves and all the hard to reach areas. I also love that it's lightweight and detachable for easy storing. So it's easy to use. You just attach it to the telescopic mop handle or your multi-use handle and attach it until the push buttons lock into the holes. If you're using it with the Norwex mop handle, you can adjust the mop handle to your desired height, which is fantastic. And it is not, I will note, it's not for use with the spray mop attachment. So if you have the spray mop attachment on your mop handle, you're going to want to disconnect that before putting on the grout brush. You can also pair this easily with any of the Norwex cleaners of choice. We have a great descaler, bathroom cleaner. Also, our probiotic hard surface cleaner concentrate works wonders. I love using our bright and white laundry and home booster to clean my tile and grout. Really gives me great cleaning power. Once your scrubbing is complete, you simply rinse it off, and you could also use your Norwex Enviro cloth or even the wet mop pad to wipe away any dirt and debris that you loosened up. And then you rinse the brush out after each use and allow it to dry, and that silver is going to continue doing its job. The rubber broom attachment is another great option for your Norwex mop system. It is the ultimate cleaning solution for pet hair, fuzz, dust bunnies, things like that. I love using it on my rugs, like throw rugs and carpets. With a husky, we have all the problems. So this is really good at getting down into those fibers. It has thick rubber bristles that are great for getting debris off of a variety of surfaces. It also has a squeegee side, which is great for your wet messes. It is a multifunctional broom and squeegee head all in one, which makes it a very versatile tool to have. The electrostatic action of the broom attracts and traps the pet hair, the dust, the fluff, the excess fibers. It also contains backlock to inhibit odor and bacteria. What you are going to love about it is that it easily attaches to your telescopic mop handle for really quick cleaning of carpets, rugs, and I even use it on hard floors sometimes. The built-in squeegee comes in handy whenever you have a liquid cleanup, messy kids, or things like that. The extra long bristles firmly hold on to debris until it's removed or rinsed away, and it has a really nice durable construction. Now, the outdoor broom attachment is going to be your ultimate tool for outdoor cleanups. So whether it's dirt, leaves, twigs, small rocks, all the things, right? This attachment really is great. Here's why we personally like to use it for all of our outdoor chores. So it does have two different types of bristles for sweeping up the really fine dust, but also the larger debris, right? Like the sticks and leaves. It's a very durable design. It's always ready for any outdoor cleanup. We actually keep an extra Norwex mop handle in the garage with one. It is made from a solid resin block, ensuring that it will never warp or rot. The stiff inner bristles are perfect for your larger debris, and then the soft outer bristles are great for the smaller debris and fine particles. It has a very sturdy, heavy-duty material design that will not break under pressure, and it's also made from 44% recycled material. We love that it's quick. It's easy to use for those daily sweeps of the back patio, your dust, your dirt, your leaves, so much more. And it's also nice to use on the garage floors, patios, sidewalks. It easily attaches to your telescopic mop handle, and it's wide enough to handle any large job, but do it very quickly. And unlike the rubber broom, where you pull the rubber broom towards you to pick up debris, with the outdoor broom, you're going to push the broom forward in short strokes. It's easy to clean, just rinse it as needed, efficient, durable, and super eco-friendly. The outdoor broom attachment is really an essential tool for outdoor cleanup. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.